Because he already knows what it is.
I know it's my turn.
You get a card.
Oh my god.
Like you don't know how to work electronics.
What's that?
Whoa! Oh my god.
Wow, that's the best gift ever.
Spend $1.
Is it a whoopee cushion?
No, it's tissue.
For what?
The band. Like this.
Ryan, what about this? What about this? You gonna read it? What's it say?
He's a multitasker.
There's the card. You gonna open it?
You know what he's gonna do? Is he old enough for that yet? Oh yeah, you should see him with the card.
Who's this one from? Let's see.
I have no clue.
I already know.
This one's from Uncle Dan and Aunt Shara. Open it.
Look
I
inside.
got the card. It's good.
Pull out the tissue paper that they opened up. There you go. Did you buy tissue paper?
I'm bored.
What is that?
We all know he likes tissue paper.
Wow.
That's pretty cool.
What is it, right?
Now open this one.
I don't care.
Next. $30 on it.
Who's that? Like that. That's me.
Whoever you want. Pass this one now. Oh, pick whoever you want.
Ryan, grab the card in there. There's a card in the bag.
Ryan.
In the back.
Blue one. There's more. There's more.
Ryan, come here.
Ryan.
There's games in here. You put the games in there. Here. That goes in there. You can play
There's a card
SpongeBob.
on the bag, man.
You can play Nemo. And Cars. Cool, huh? You gonna play your video
I
games later?
believe that's
Hey.
from Papa named Kate, or Kate, or whatever we're calling her. What are we calling her?
Uncle Kate.
Yeah. Aunt Buck.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Where's my present?
Let's have a present.
Your birthday, Grandma.
Monkey. Monkey
Get a
cards.
card.
Is that what it says?
Grandpa needs a card.
He needs a truck. He doesn't need a car.
Wow. That's neat. I'm not on this side. Oh, Jesus, Lord.
Give Mama the card to read.
He wants some money.
What's his name again? Joe? Joe, yeah. Joe Neal. Thank you.
Where's Ryan?
Where's this one from? This one's from Walt, Casey, and Connor. They already left.
said boyfriend. I never wanted to go for a walk. I still heard that.
That's alright.
I just keep coming back with a present. With a present.
Ryan, look at me. Kevin.
I'm their man. I'm their
Why
man.
from no physical gift, okay?
No, he's like, I'm their man.
Ryan, look at me. Cheese. Cheese.
No, he said these. These.
Ryan, don't forget your shirt.
Ryan, look at your shirt.
Wow.
Uh-oh. Read a one there.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
How do I get to
Yeah, there you go. You got it. All right. You gotta read the card first. Gotta read the card first.
That's one.
The card right there. Yep. Read that
What's
one.
one? He's like, there's so many. What's one?
How do you open it?
Yeah,
Have
who
Mom
would
read
do?
it to you. Have Mom you read it to you.
Yeah, right. Like, yeah, right.
Ooh, Ryan, look at this card.
Cool. Wow, that's cool.
This one's from Nancy and Ed.
Spider-Man.
All right.
More Spider-Man.
Uh-oh. Look at that.
That looks like one of them there things that words.
Ryan,
right there?
What about me? Can I see?
Oh, what's that? Oh, a card. A puzzle book?
Wow.
Pretty.
I don't really want it.
Careful. Gotta start from the back. Back.
Turn it around, bud.
Oh, you did your whole day doing that.
I'm gonna stay
There
with
you
you.
go. What's that? The ABCs. All right.
Hey, dweez.
Ah, there you go. It's a puzzle.
It's another one.
Yeah, and what you got?
Another
Okay.
Enough for me to see.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Give me that card right there, the blue one. The card. Anything that came with it?
Money.
No.
Get hard.
Cars. 5 years old is fun.
Money. How much?
From Jordan.
Well,
Ooh, Jordan hooked you up, dude.
How much?
Too much for you.
oh, racetrack. There you go.
Hey, let me see it.
Where's
Hold it up.
Jordan?
All right.
Good side.
Can you break his leg?
Oh, this is a good one. This is the best.
Card in it.
The card mommy.
What's up with that thing? It's great.
Ah,
Oh!
Is there a card in there,
His
Ryan?
favorite.
Mommy the card.
What's that? What is that?
Oh, the planets. Cool.
oh, Danny.
We hooked him
Is
up.
there a card in there?
Don't tell mommy. Candy!
Lollipops.
Well, let's see. That's that whole.
James is shopping my sports.
Candy!
Said about the
Candy!
Give it to me.
Give it to Mama, hon.
Oh my god, this is a crybaby!
That was from
This
Uncle
is a
Jimmy.
crybaby.
This is Adam and Haley.
This
Did you
is a
say thank you? Thank you to them.
Crybaby thing.
Hey, baby.
Oh, that's sour.
Crying. Look at it. Mom. Let me see it.
Here you go, Mom.
I got this down now. Here's the card.
Uh-oh, Adam, untie the handles.
This one's from Nana.
And more Danny!
That'll work.
That's another way to do it. Yeah, we killed it.
That's another ring.
What's that?
Ooh,
That's pretty cool.
I don't care.
Look at that. It's like a sprinkler.
Oh, cool.
I want this.
Getting a lot of educational stuff.
Hey, this one. We just wanted a candle.
Hold it up to me and show it.
This is mine.
Yeah.
Dude,
What's that?
You're fast then.
what's this? This is mine too.
I'm back.
Ooh, open.
Underwear.
Yeah.
Underwear. What do you think, bud? I got it pretty good.
And one more.
And one more. Where?
What's this?
We already opened those.
opened
That's
them.
everything else you already opened. I've been putting back in.
Going.
Whatever you want to play with, you pick. It's all yours. What do you want to open?
Oh, this is awesome right here.
Oh, what's that? Is that like a VTech thing?
V-Smile. Yeah, the V-Smile, that's it. His old with the game.
Nice.
Me and Kevin got
Yeah, he's gonna need stuff like that.
V-Tech and the V-Smile.
It's got a paper cut.
Who's got a smile, Ash?
What do you want to open?